Good day, friends. Are you in financial markets for small profit or to build wealth? Well, let's find out together. Most people think that trading and investing are the same, but are they? Let's clear the air. Both trading and investing involves buying and selling assets, but the way they work are world apart. Then, what's the core difference? If trading is about chasing quick wins, investing is about building wealth patiently over time. The goal might be similar, but the mindset totally different. Trading is like sprinting fast and intense. You're watching the market all day, reacting to every move. One headline, one event change, everything changes, market jumps or crashes. On the other hand, investing is more like running a marathon. Steady pace, long term vision, and patience will lead to wealth creation. You plant the seed and let time do the compounding magic. Let's now highlight the real differences between traders and investors. Time horizon. Traders move fast from intraday plays to holding positions for just few days. Investors, they are in for a long haul. They are taking a few years to decades and to stay invested. Risk. Trading is risky business. Short-term price swings cause stress and also lead to losses. Investing spreads over the risk over time with slow and steady compounding leading to real wealth creation. How often do they buy and sell? Traders? All the time, sometimes multiple times in a day. Investors? Not so much. They buy, hold, and chill. How do they decide? Traders rely on charts, patterns, and technical analysis. Investors go deeper. They check on the fundamentals, company strength, and long term potentials. Emotional load. Traders is intense. They're glued to screens with lot of stress. Investing, less drama, fewer decisions, and more peace of mind. Returns, traders can make 5 to 20% a month, but it's unpredictable. Investors aim for 5 to 20% a year, more realistic, more consistent. Leverage, traders often use borrowed money to amplify gains and also amplify the risk. Investors usually stick to what they own, slow and steady wins. So, where is wealth really created? Investing, especially when done right, allows your wealth to compound over time, turning patience into wealth without any stress. It's less about timing the market and more about time in the market. Investing, it's more forgiving, it rewards consistently, discipline, and time. Yeah, investments are rewarded when you invest with the assistance of some professional advisors. We at Finance have been using AI in our advisory model for years now, and the results are quite unbelievable. So make the most of power of compounding.